In this session, we are going to discuss about K-map simplification for three variables. Already in the last video, we have discussed about how we are going to simplify the K-map for two variables. Now we are going to discuss about for three variables. These are the terminologies for the K-map. Already we have discussed in the previous video. In SOP, the single term is called as an min term. For POS, the single term is called as an max terms. Here, the number of min terms depends upon the number of variables. If the variable is 2 means 2 power 2. So, there only 4 min terms M0, M1, M2 and M3. Here, the number of variables is 3. So, 2 power 3 means totally 8 min terms. So, starting from M0, M1, M2, M3, M4, M5, M6 and M7. So, totally there are 8 min terms. Here, each min term is represented by the variables x, y, z. The value is x bar means the value as x equal to 0, y bar means y equal to 0, z bar means z equal to 0. And the another one is x bar, y bar, z. X bar equal to, if the value is x bar is x equal to 0, y bar is y equal to 0, and z is equal, z for z, the z value is equal to 1. The same thing we are going to follow up to x, y, z. If the value is denoted by bar, then the value is 0. If the value is simply denoted by the variable, then the value is 1. So based on this, we are going to form the 8 min terms for the 3 variables. So these are the terminologies to form the number of min terms. If the total number of sum of the min terms is represented as a SOP, sum of product terms. So each min term is called as a product term. We are going to form the SOP by summing the product terms. So wherever the value is 1 in the truth table, for example 0, 1, 2, 3 and 6. So M0 plus M1 plus M2 plus M3 plus M6. This is a function for the value as function for the value for F. For the F bar, the value as M4 plus M5 plus M7. So for the fourth min term, fifth min term and then seventh min term, the value is 1. So the F bar is equal to M4 plus M5 plus M7. These are all the SOP terms for the 3 variable functions. This is the K-map for the 3 variable. Here we are using 3 variables. Here, there only for the 2 variables, they were used only 4 cells. Here for 3 variable, they were used 8 cells. So, starting from M0 to M7. So, they have represented how to write the min terms in the truth table. Starting from M0, M0, then second box is M1, and the third box is filled with M3, and the next box is filled with M2, here then M4, M5, then M7, then finally M6. This is the K-map to form the 3 variables. So, already we have discussed in the previous slide for placing the values for 1 for each product term. So, by using this K-map, we are going to place the value as 1 for the given SOP term. For example, why are going to form the ordering by the adjacent cells? If we are going to form the ordering in the adjacent cells, for example, in the given diagram, for the first one, we are going to form the first term and the second term. The common term in the both terms are x bar z. Given the next example, by wrapping around the left and right side, the common terms is in the both the cells are Z bar. So by forming the pairs, we are going to form the common term from both the product terms. By using this, we are going to reduce the number of variables. So if you are going to form a pair, the only one variable is reduced. If you are going to form a quad, two variables are reduced here, the second examples. So only the Z bar is the solution for the second K-map. This is the thing how we are going to form a pair and a quad in a three variable functions. So next, for the given example, we are going to put the value as 1 in the given minterms. The given function is m1 plus m5 plus m6 plus m7. So wherever the value comes in the truth table, for m1 we are going to put the value as 1, for m5 the value is 1, for m6 the value is 1, for m7 the value is 1. Then after placing the values as 1 in the truth table, then you are going to form the grouping. So the next slide, how they have arranged the values as 1, the truth table is explained in this slide. After placing the values as 1, next we are going to form the grouping. So this is how we are going to group. The pink color denotes one type of grouping by adjacent cells, and the blue color also denotes another type of grouping by grouping with the adjacent cells. After that, we are going to form the values as y bar z plus xy. This is the solution for the given SOP term. Already we have discussed SOP is the sum of product term. We are going to form the min terms values as 1 in the truth table. Then you are going to form the grouping and you are going to reduce the number of variables based on the grouping, and the final solution is y bar z plus xy. Next one is we are going to form the truth table for m1 plus m3 plus m5 plus m6. Then the next slide, I have explained about the how the grouping is done with this SOP term. The final answer is x bar is z plus y bar is z plus xy is z bar. So the final xy z bar we can't able to group with the adjacent cells because the adjacent cells are placed with the values as 0. Only the ones will be grouped to form the product term. The remaining zeros we can't able to map it, or we can't able to group it to form the product terms. These are all the three variable K maps examples. So we are going to group in the K map by pairing with the adjacent cells. Here the adjacent cells are grouped. The common terms are B bar, C bar, first one, and then second one the common term is A, B bar. The third one they have formed the quad. So the common term is B bar, and then fourth one they have also formed the quad. The common term is A bar. Here they have only formed the pairs. The value as A bar, C, and next one is they have formed the pass, the value is a c bar, and the next one is also pass a bar c bar, and the final one is they have formed a quad with the edges of the K map to form the value as c bar. The common term is c bar. This is how we are going to form the three variable K maps. So thank you. So as a summarization of this session, we have discussed about the K-map simplification of three variables, how we are going to form the group, what are the min terms, and what are the methods for grouping in the three variables. Thank you for watching.